I think for overall, dito namin na-feel na eto na talaga yung bahay namin na para sa amin.
Congrats! Yay!
Hello everyone, good day. This is Rachel.
And this is Sunny.
Yan. So today ay papunta po tayo sa Hamana Homes located here at Magalang, Pampanga. And this is a very special day kasi sasamahan po natin isa po sa aming mga clients for their official house turnover. And we are very excited. And so mamaya ay mapakita namin sa inyo at itutur din namin kayo sa actual turnover ng unit na kanilang kinuha. So our client, this client, they purchased a property at Hamana Homes. So ang kanilang unit is Miana Duplex Plus. So tara, samahan niyo po kami and let's go to Hamana Homes. See you later! And finally, the wait is over. Congratulations to our dear clients on the successful turnover of your new home. Welcome home and thank you for trusting us to be part of this memorable milestone. But of course, before we officially accept the house, one of the most important parts of the turnover process is a thorough inspection of the entire unit. This is to make sure that everything is in good condition, complete, functional, and ready for move-in. So together with the homeowner, we carefully inspect every part of the house, from our main door, interior doors, and windows, para masiguradong maayos ang opening, closing, at locking mechanism ito. Ini-inspect din natin ang walls, ceiling, at flooring to check kung may cracks, dents, paint imperfections o anumang kailangan i-retouch. Next ay tinetest din natin ng electrical fixtures tulad ng switches, outlets, at lighting. Pati na rin ang plumbing system kasama ang sink, faucets, shower, toilet, at drainage. This is to ensure that everything is working properly and walang leaks. Kung may makita mang concern during inspection, agad itong nire-record para mas maayos ng developer before the homeowner officially accepts the property. Because at the end of the day, our goal is not just to hand over the keys, but to make sure na ang bahay na matatanggap ng ating homeowners ay safe, complete, at ready for fresh new beginning. Now let's hear from our new homeowners and find out how they felt during this special milestone and why they choose Hamana Homes as the place they can finally call home. So ayan, nandito na po tayo ngayon sa ating actual turnover unit na ating client dito sa Hamana Homes. So ang kinuha ng client po natin is Miana Duplex Plus. So gusto lang po natin tanungin, bakit nga ba kayo kumuha ng property dito sa Hamana Homes?
Syempre kasi nung nagtitingin pa lang kami, so unang point namin is yung maganda yung community. So unang pasok pa lang namin dito, nakita na namin na maganda yung aesthetic pa lang kitang-kita na. And then may kita na secure din siya, yung hindi ka makakapasok din talaga hanggat hindi ka nagpo-provide ng mga documents, hindi ka kilala ng security. And then yung pangalawa din siguro is good value siya for its price. Though hindi siya ganun nakamura, pero makikita mo na yung binigay sa yung quality ng bahay, pasok na pasok dun sa binayaran mo. Ang parang makikita mo pa na masigit pa dun. Kasi inaccept din siya namin kaagad nang wala man lang, nang hindi naman ganun karaming issues. And then, yung for long term din, na for example, kung magkakaanak man kami, sure kami na kahit iwan namin siya dito, safe na safe siya. I think, for overall, dito namin na-feel na eto na talaga yung bahay namin na para sa amin.
Ayun.
Ayun.
Yung location. Yes, oo,
Additional
location.
pala yung location din. Since siya kasi more on business niya is sa Metro Manila and then yung family ko is sa Olongapo.
Mm-mm.
So, parang halfway.
Yes.
And then, saka nga, nasa Clark eh.
Ayun.
And
Around
near
din
the
sa...
Malapit din sa Clark yun yung mga business establishment natin. So yan, thank you so much. And thank you din sa pagtitiwala sa amin as your property guide para sa makapurchase kayo ng bahay dito sa Hamana Home. So, ayan, so satisfied naman tayo
Yes.
sa ating actual turnover. Ayan, so,
Satisfied.
ayan, so that's it. And if you would like to know more about this unit, contact nyo lang kami sa contact details below. And if you want to schedule a site viewing, just message us. So again, this is Rachel, and thank you for watching our vlog. And see you again next time. Bye!